Hello and welcome to this quick preview of Click and Learn Mathematics. Yes, for grade school mathematics, types of triangles. You see the colorful triangles on your screen? You learn more about these colorful triangles, different shapes, sizes. How can triangles be classified? Triangles can be classified in two main ways, yes, by their side lengths and by their angles. And you have these different instruments, geometric instruments that you can use. Learning objectives. Identify the different types of triangles. So what type of triangle is this triangle here? And this, and this. Do you know? Describe the properties for each triangle. Meet the triangles. This is an equilateral triangle. Why? Because all the sides are equal in length. Sides are equal in length. So they're equi meaning equal, lateral meaning side, equal sides in length. Isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal in length. Isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. All these different sides have different lengths. Scalene. Right triangle. This angle here is a right angle. This is a right triangle. It's a very popular, well-known triangle. Obtuse triangle. This angle is greater than 90 degrees. Acute triangle. All angles are less than 90 degrees. So you have different types of triangles. We create these videos for you so you can learn quickly and easily in the comfort and convenience at your home. And you have full control over the video. You can pause the video. You can replay the video any number of times. Can you ask your teacher in school to go over a problem? Now you can using your videos. You learn faster and you control the pace at which you learn. Isosceles triangle definition: two sides are of equal length. Two sides there are equal length. You can take out your ruler and measure the sides. Properties: the angles opposite the equal sides are also equal. So this angle here and this angle here, they're also equal. These two sides are equal. This side here and this side there. Scalene triangle definition: all three sides are of different lengths. Different lengths. So this is just a sample lesson of how we teach mathematics, in this case geometry, through colorful images and dynamic illustrations on your screen. So you can master the subject quickly and easily. Enjoy.